This is my DJI Mini SE. It is one of my favorite drones I've had, and that's because it's super small, super light and fast, reliable, and has a great camera. Today we are going to be going over how to make your DJI drone go faster and quicker. When you are connected to your drone, you will need to enter your DJI Fly app to control the settings. Now I'll be switching over to the recording on my screen. Now that you are in your DJI Fly app, you are going to want to fly around and get used to your speeds. Currently I am in a non-tuned mode, so my drone will not go as fast as it can. With the acceleration speed, it gets up to 8.9 miles per hour, while it accelerates slower, so it'll take more time, to get to 8.9 miles per hour in sport mode that it will if you adjust it. So let's check that. So it takes about 1 second, I'd say about 2 seconds. So once you get into your advanced settings, so you'll go to control, scroll down to the bottom, advanced, make sure you select sport, and then for throttle up on the left side, you want to push your finger up. You don't want to go down or else that's slower. Up, and it'll be like this. And then for the right side over here, you want to push that up. You don't need to mess with the middle setting or else you will be way out of control. Once you're here, now it pops right into 8.9 miles per hour under a second. And going forward, I'm going into the wind. You get pretty fast speeds. I'll bring it to the floor so you can see it better. When you're flying in sport mode or using a tuned sport mode like I'm demonstrating, I highly recommend being in the open area like me, wide open, and watch for other obstacles like these light posts. So now I'll test the acceleration. Quickly went to 26 miles per hour, and I'm pretty steady at 8.7 to 8.9 miles per hour in the altitude. So that is how you tune your DJI Mini or Air drone inside of the DJI Fly app. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, comment, and let me know if you have any more suggestions on videos. Thank you.